about it. What was the special occasion tonight without the motorcycles?
Oh no, like I said, Lele moved to Miami, so I'm just, I'm looking for a good crew, good friends. So I put out an ad on Craigslist, and they were the first to reply.
Wow,
so, yeah, they accepted me into their tribe. So here we are, we're having a good time.
You got some pretty cool tattoos. Is that a motorcycle on your neck?
Is that new? You already know it's new. Come on, man.
Team Hannah,
yeah.
Hannah, I have a question.
Yeah,
so I know you
up?
went through such an experience, right?
Right.
And so it's kind of like similar to what's going on recently. Jaden Hossler and Nessa Barrett. What do you think about that?
It's very shocking. I think, at such a young age, it's very hard to go through something like that very publicly, but all I can really say is stay true to yourself, have good friends around you like my biker squad.
Yeah. Do you support Jaden Hossler and Nessa Barrett?
And Hannah on Big Clout.
Oh yeah, subscribe to my Big Clout.
Subscribe. Hey, do you have any special message you would like to give to Josh Richards and Mads Lewis, because since they went through something similar?
Oh yeah, I want to send them with so much love. I know that it's so hard for them to deal with, so I hope everybody's okay. Thank you guys so much.
Who did these guys want to fight this weekend? Jake Paul?
Sorry. Okay. He's right there.
Thank you, Hannah. Bye, Hannah.